Can I remove the GetIntoPC virus myself?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're discussing an important and often vexing topic: how to remove the GetIntoPC virus from your system. With a little time, attention, and patience, you should be able to remove this bothersome intruder yourself. Let's get started.
What is the GetIntoPC virus?
The GetIntoPC virus is a malicious software often linked to the GetIntoPC website. It's frequently categorized as a PUP, potentially unwanted program, or adware, with the potential to impact your system performance, steal sensitive information, or pepper you with unwanted ads. As with all viruses, it's better off out of your system.
How did I get the GetIntoPC virus?
The GetIntoPC virus often gets installed alongside other software. This typically happens when you download programs from unofficial sources or don't fully read the terms during the installation process. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Always download software from trusted sources and pay attention to the installation process.
Can I remove the GetIntoPC virus myself?
Yes, you absolutely can. There are two general methods to do so: manually and using antivirus software. Both methods have their pros and cons, and you might want to use a combination of both for the best results.
How to manually remove the GetIntoPC virus?
Manual removal requires a bit of tech savviness, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. 1. Uninstall suspicious programs. Go to your control panel, click on Uninstall a program, and remove any program that looks suspicious or that you don't remember installing. 2. Check your browser extensions. The virus may have installed some unwanted extensions. Check and remove any suspicious extensions from your browser. 3. Reset your browsers. As a final step, you might need to reset your browsers to their original settings. Remember, manual removal might not get all components of the virus, and there's a risk it could come back.
How to remove the GetIntoPC virus using antivirus software?
Using an antivirus software can be simpler and more thorough. Antivirus programs are designed to locate and eradicate threats like the GetIntoPC virus. 1. Choose a reliable antivirus software. There are many options available, both free and paid. 2. Run a full system scan. This will help the software locate the virus. 3. Quarantine or delete the virus. The antivirus will give you the option to quarantine or delete any threats it finds. Remember, no antivirus can guarantee 100% removal of all threats, so it's a good idea to complement this with manual removal. Thank you for watching this guide on how to remove the GetIntoPC virus yourself. Remember to always be careful when downloading software and clicking on links, as prevention is the best defense. We hope this has been helpful, and wish you luck in keeping your system clean and virus-free.